In example 4, it says, Jessica ate 5 of the 9 pieces of apple pie over the past 2 days. If she paid $7.10 for her share of the apple pie, how much did the whole pie cost? The first thing we need to do is come up with our variable. In letter A, if we look at the last part, it says, how much did the whole pie cost? So we're going to rephrase the question into a statement. So we can let P equal the cost of the pie. Then in part B, we need to come up with our equation. If we take a look here, Jessica ate 5 of 9 pieces. 5 of 9 pieces means we have a fraction, and that fraction is 5/9. So I'm going to start with my fraction 5/9. Now after the 5/9 is the word of. We're taking 5/9 of something. If we take something of something else, that refers to multiplication. So it's indicating that we should multiply by something of that apple pie. Since we're talking about the cost of the pie and her share of it, we're going to take 5/9 and multiply it by P, which is the whole cost of the pie. And that's going to equal or give us the amount she paid for it, which was $7.10. So with our fraction ones, you're always going to take the fraction of the whole thing, and that's going to equal the part. So let's write that down. We're going to take the fraction times the whole to equal the part. Whenever you come to a problem that's talking about the fraction of something, take the fraction times whatever the whole thing is, whether it's a price or something else, and that's going to equal just the part that you want. Now in letter C, we're going to go ahead and solve this. So we're going to rewrite it. Remember, we don't want to touch anything in part B. We have 5/9 times P equal to 7.10. And what I need to do, if I look my variables over here on the left, I need to get rid of that 5/9. To get rid of that, I'm going to go ahead and multiply by that reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply by 9/5 on the left, and I'm going to multiply by 9/5 on the right. If I do that correctly, I'm going to get P equal to 12.78. So we can say the whole pie costs $12.78.